Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Shakina Farhana binti Samad, number matric 1YB2068. So today I would like to talk about my counseling company that given by Dr. Adli, which is Lagenda Properties Berhad. For chapter 1, I will talk about the background of this company. Lagenda is an investment holding company engaged in the property development business in Malaysia. It also involved in building construction and trading of building materials and hardware products. The company was formerly known as DBE Gurney Resources Berhad. Other than that, the company was founded in 1986 and is based in Seri Manjung, Perak. Besides, Lagenda Properties Berhad is a subsidiary of Lagenda Land Sendirian Berhad. For the first counseling method, which is C, C is stand for current earning. Based on this data, Lagenda net profit in the first quarter of 2020 was 55.58 million ringgit, rising almost 170% from the previous quarter. This positive revenue increase is excellent news for company, as it shows that the company is earning revenue without problems. Despite facing economic challenges in 2020, the Lagenda will still be able to report positive income growth. Okay, then we look at the company annual earning growth. According to this data, Lagenda has seen negative yearly growth for the last 5 years, despite seeing growth in 3 of those years. This is since they lost 20 million ringgit in 2016 and the loss increased to 27 million ringgit in 2017. Whereas in 2019 and 2020, the price increased drastically to 103 million ringgit. The third method of cancelling is news or new product. As you can see in the news here, Lagenda Properties announced that they will focus more on creating affordable homes in self-sustaining township with community to provide this group with the possibility to own a property. For the B40 and M40 income categories, there have been about 4 additional encouraging good new items in the last 4 months. But the news from Lagenda that I am sharing here is the latest. Next method is the supply and demand. As seen in the data above, Lagenda daily trading volume 1 million is lower than the stock 3-month average trading volume 2.2 million. If this trading volume is lower than the 3-month average, it indicates that investor attention is still not fully focused on the company shares. The total number of units traded in Lagenda shares was 818 million ringgit. Leader and laggard is method number 5 of cancelling. The movement of the Lagenda share price graph color blue was greater than the movement of the Malaysia Property Index graph color orange. As a result, when compared to its other Bursa Malaysia competitors, Lagenda shares can be classified as a leader. Besides, another approach to compare the whole company market capital with those of its competitors. Next method is institutional investors, where this data shows that there is no retailers traded on Bursa Malaysia for Lagenda company. The company owned 100% by institution, director company or big shareholder and insider that boot the company. As a result, the stock extremely light, which lead it to climb fast and fall quickly. Other than that, the stock trading activity is excessive because they more to save the stock rather than sell it. For the last method of cancelling is market direction. According to the Lagenda counter direction, Lagenda stock began to climb for the first time, and the stock began fluctuate in mid-February 2021. However, the share price dropped in April 2021 before beginning to rise again in early June 2021. Other than that, a good market direction is a big rise in which the profit potential exceeds the loss potential. Thus, this indicates that the Lagenda company is an uptrend for a short time. Overall, the data indicates that this counter is continuing trending upward. Besides, only 5 of the 7-step processes have a beneficial effect, which is current earning, new product or news, leader or laggard, institutional investors, and market direction. The company is still worth investing in, but the graph will only rise in the long term. I think that's all from me. Thank you for hearing. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.